Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify build a job application tracker with Airtable and Glide, full guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to Airtable's website and creating a free account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, click on the Add a Base button to create a new base for your job application tracker. Choose the Start from Scratch option to customize your tracker to fit your needs. Name your base Job Application Tracker to keep everything organized. Open the base and you will see a default table named Table 1. Rename this table to Applications by double-clicking on the table name. Begin by adding the necessary fields for your applications. Create a column called Company Name to record the name of the companies you are applying to. Next, add a position column to specify the job titles. Include a status column to track the progress of each application, such as applied, interviewing, or offer. You may want to add a date applied field to record when you submitted each application. Consider creating a notes field for any additional information or thoughts about the application. Once your table structure is set, populate it with a few sample entries to visualize how it looks. Now, let's move to Glide to create a mobile-friendly interface. Go to Glide's website and sign up for an account if you're not already a user. After logging in, select the option to create a new app and choose the Airtable integration. Link your Airtable account by following the prompts to authorize Glide to access your Airtable base. Once linked, choose the Job Application Tracker base you created earlier. Glide will automatically pull in the fields from your Airtable table to create an initial app. Start customizing your app layout by clicking on the Components panel. Consider using a list layout for your applications. Add elements like buttons to change the status of each application directly from the app. You can include charts or graphs to visualize your application progress if desired. After customizing, preview your app to see how it looks and functions on different devices. Make adjustments as needed until you are satisfied with the layout and functionality. Once you're satisfied with the final product, publish your app and share the link with yourself or others who may benefit from it. Regularly check back to update your Airtable base and keep your application tracker current. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.